Can I see that?
And stand by.
Come
Really?
on.
What? It's just a broken mirror.
And bad luck.
Do you ever wonder why the broken mirror superstition started?
Or,
Did she just get cold feet?
Do you know why we say cold feet?
Right. Here's another one. Let's cross our fingers that we get through this.
Let's cut to the chase.
Hey, there's another one.
We use these phrases in everyday conversations. But do you know their origin and their backstory?
Or, do you know why manhole covers are round instead of square or triangular?
This is amazing. Do you know the story behind this perfect summertime treat?
Learn fascinating facts behind the things we commonly use.
In the series, wow, I never knew that.
right here on No 99.